Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. If you guys caught the live stream this last weekend, then you know exactly what this is. But if you didn't, then you're in for a treat, because there's a really cool knife in here. It's already been unboxed. I'm robbing you of the organic experience from the original unboxing. Sorry about that, but I do still want to share my thoughts, give you guys some first impressions. This was sent by Crickets on YouTube. I think you can find him down in the comments section. And your new kid on Instagram. So please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. He says, Metal Complex, thank you for all the precious content and countless hours of entertainment in 2020. Your channel has been a tremendous outlet for a lot of us during a rather intense time. I'm really looking forward to the new year, new releases and positivity in your upcoming schedule on the channel. Please enjoy this knife review. And then he says, P.S. I would like to return the favor and pay it forward with a token of my appreciation. I will be sending you a special one-of-a-kind creation that I've had commissioned for your enjoyment. More to come. Thank you very much. That's really nice, and I'm very intrigued by that. Very kind of you. Really nice. Also, thanks to my generous patrons. You can find my Patreon link down in the description. And please, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, so what is this? I think many people can guess by the thumbnail. This is the brand new Microtech Scarab 2. This is a monster of an OTF. We're going to turn the exposure up just a little bit so I can capture everything. So for anybody who doesn't know, the Microtech Scarab was discontinued here within the last few years, I guess, and the old one was shorter. It was something like, what was it, 8 inches overall? Very, powerful OTF, very expensive OTF. Go ahead and fire this bad boy for you. Yeah, there's a lot of power behind that blade. Something I said in the live stream, I actually should have got my Combat Troodon out to show you, but this is a large, very large OTF. I will provide a link for this guy, the listing down in the description. At the time of this recording, I don't think these are available anywhere, but I would venture to guess there will be a lot more coming. So I will link the listings down below. I'll try to do a couple of different retailers so that you can at least sign up for email notifications and be ready to go when they drop. But these are expensive, guys. US made OTF. Overall length of the Scarab 2 coming in, if you go to the butt of the handle, 9 inches. If you go to the end of the glass breaker, it's about 9.5 inches. The blade length is about 3.9 inches, and your cutting edge is coming in at about 3.6 inches. Big knife. Thicker blade stock than the original, definitely a wider frame. This is, for anybody who's handling a Combat Troodon right now while you're watching this, this frame is much wider than the Combat Troodon. It's probably 20 to 25% wider than the, 20% wider than the Combat Troodon. Firing switch is wider. I want to point this out because somebody else was like, oh my gosh, my Scarab was one of the hardest to, manipulate. Here's the thing. This probably does fire harder. Feels like it fires about 20% harder than my Combat Troodon, which up until, just recently was the hardest firing Microtech I'd ever handled. So yeah, it does fire hard, but here's the thing. Because this button is so wide, the amount of traction that you can get on it is substantially higher. My wife can manipulate this, no problem. This is actually really easy to manipulate, but the throw of the blade is it's substantially, more than what I would expect from other Microtechs, which already fire hard. So that's pretty cool. The other thing that's really cool is that we're looking at torque screws instead of tri-wing screws. That's going to make a lot of people happy. Blade Steel in the Sky M390. These pocket clips have the Scarab logo, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, Track Tech inserts, which is a special thing with the Combat Troodon. With the Microtech Scarab 2. I have no idea if they'll do an executive version of this, which is this without the inserts. No idea. If I was going to pick one up, I'd pick one of these up because this just looks more Scarab to me. Not that I need it, right? But if I was going to pick one up, yeah, that's how I'd pick it up. Yeah, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Like I usually say, this is not a review. This is an unboxing and first impressions, even though I've technically already handled it before I recorded this video. Still wanted to share it with you guys. After a couple of weeks go by, I will have a full comprehensive review of this knife up. We'll put it up against at least one other Microtech and kind of talk about it, whether or not it's going to be for you. Yeah, this is very, very impressive. This is probably the coolest Microtech OTF that I've ever handled. I'm just going to say that. The firing power and just the feel of it, it's very robust. This feels like just an XL beast of an OTF. I love the slot up here on the spine. I love the blade. Very, very cool. Make sure you check out links for this guy right down in the description. Get your email notification thing set up. And then also check out Microtech knives in general, which I will also link down in the description for anybody who's curious about what they've got going on right now. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.